Hi Prep 2, this is our science lesson for this week. We've got a few ingredients that you should have in your cupboards at home, I would have thought. Some vinegar and some bicarbonate of soda. And we've got a couple of other things as well. We've got a balloon, and I've got a spoon, and I've got a plastic bottle. Okay, now what you need to do first, and I would say get a grown-up to help you do this. You need to put some bicarbonate of soda into the bottom of a balloon, like that, okay? If you've got a funnel at home, that would make it easier. I just had to hold it really, really tight and squeeze in the bicarb. Now, in my plastic bottle, I've got about 50 millilitres of vinegar, okay? Now, the next thing that we need to do is to put the top of the balloon over the bottle, okay? But make sure none of this goes in just yet. What we're hoping is when we put the bicarbonate of soda into the bottle, there will be a chemical reaction and then hopefully something fabulous will happen. Shall we see if it works? I'm a little bit nervous. Let's see. Woo! Look at that! I have managed to blow up my balloon without really blowing it up. I have inflated it. And what's happened is there has been a chemical reaction going on inside the bottle, and that has given off carbon dioxide, or CO2, and that gas has filled my balloon. We're scientists, Prep 2. I hope you can have a go at doing this at home. It's really fun.